Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Kobe and this is SkyTech Digital. Now in today's video we're going to add a live chat to our website. So we have a website over here and then we want to add a live chat so that people can be able to chat with us live whenever they are on the website. So let's jump into the video. So to add a live chat, we're going to go to our back end of the website and then we're going to go to plugins over here. Click on add new to add a new plugin. Now we are going to search for the plugin name and then we call the plugin Tawk. Okay, just type in what T-A-W-K, Tawk over here. And then you're going to see this plugin over here. It says your tawk.to live chat. Now we're going to click on install over here. And then we will activate the plugin. Okay, so now our plugin is activated. Now let's look for the Tawk over here, and then we're gonna go let's look for the Tawk. Yeah, this one over here, and we're gonna go to the settings of it. Now the plugin will tell us to log in. Okay, so if you are new, the plugin will tell you to log in with your tawk.to credentials. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna click on sign up because we are not we haven't we don't have any account over there. So we're gonna click on sign up over here. It will take us to the plugin sign up page, and then we're gonna fill our name and then our details over here. So I'm gonna write my name over here, Kobe, and then I'm gonna write my email address, and then I'm gonna give a password to it. Okay, so now that I have my details filled, I'm going to click on sign up for free. Okay, so we will be allowed to choose the language that we want, and then we have to click next to create a property. Now the property is just a widget or a chat widget that you have to create. So you can do that later, but I want to take you through the process. So I'm going to click on create property. And then I'm going to click on my site name, which is crypto marketplace, and then I'm going to put in the URL over here. So I'm going to go back over here, copy the URL from here, and then come over here and then enter the URL over here. Now the widget name, now of course I'm going to just use this same name and then paste it over here. Now I'm going to click on next to set my team members. So first of all, this is the default team member. Okay, so the one who created the tawk.to account becomes the default team member. Now of course you can decide to add maybe an agent or a different admin or whoever it is to it. Okay, but for now it is me only, so I'm just going to cancel that one, and then I'm going to click on install widget over here. Now if you just want to place the widget on maybe somewhere on the body tag or anywhere, you can click on this one, especially for those who are using HTML to create their website without WordPress. You can insert this body tag over here. Okay, but this code in your body tag, but we are using WordPress. So if you haven't installed the WordPress plugin, you click over here to download and then to install the plugin. But we have done all those things, so what we're going to do is we're just going to click on done, and then we move ahead to the next stage of it. Now guys, as you can see, it says hello Kobe, welcome to tawk.to. So you can decide to take a tour. It will take you around the whole place, tell you about what this one does and what that one does, all those things. But I'm just going to click over here and say no thanks. Now this is your dashboard. Okay, so this is your dashboard. So basically this is everything that you need to know about this dashboard. Now you have your your visitors, live visitors with details over here and all those kind of stuff, the chat and everything comes over here. Okay, now what we're going to do is, now if you go back to our website over here and then we click on refresh, we have to see over here. Now of course we don't see it over here because we haven't connected our website to it. Okay, so what we're going to do is we go back to where it says we should enter our credentials, and then we're going to enter our credentials over here. So the email address and the password that we use in creating the tawk.to account, we're gonna what put it over here. Okay, so what we're gonna do is I'm just gonna put in my password over here, and then I'll click on sign in. Now this is supposed to what link me to what the tawk.to website. So as you can see, I've what signed in. Now they said I should what select the property. Remember the property that we created, the widget. We're gonna select it, and then it says we'll select the widget, and we're still gonna select this one over here. So as you can see, we have these two things over here. Now what do we have to do? We want to click on what use selected what property. So now everything is added successfully. Now we are good to go. Okay, so you can go to your dashboard, that is the tawk.to dashboard, or you can visit to your what you can visit the knowledge bit for a little bit of what help if you are not familiar with it. So we're gonna go over here, and then over here, as you can see, visibility options. Okay, so now if you go back to our website over here and then we refresh, we're supposed to see the chat icon over here. Okay, so the chat icon is not appearing. I don't know why, but let me go back again and then see. So always show tawk.to on every page, exclusion and all those kind of stuff. Let me go over here, enable visitors recognition. Yeah, everything is done. So let me still go back again, and then let me just clear cache and see if it will appear, because I don't know why it's not appearing, because everything is what is done for us and it's supposed to appear. It still did not appear. Yeah, as you can see, it is over here. Okay, so it means that we needed to clear some cache, clear the cache, and then it would appear over here. So guys, as you can see over here, this is the chat over here. So it says we are here. So now if you click on it, it will display this information for you, and then you can go ahead and then add a new conversation and then start chatting. Okay, now this we are here is displaying because, so as you can see, if you don't say something for some few minutes, this thing will pop up, just attention grabber, just telling you that we are here to help you, and then if you need any help, just contact us. Okay, now this we are here is only available when you are log into this tawk.to website. Okay, so when you are logged in over here, it means that you are available to talk. Okay, so always make sure that you make sure that you have this one on all the time, so that visitors can be able to reach out to you all the time whenever. Now if you are not online over here also, you will be able to get a message. People will be able to send you a message. Okay, whenever you come online, you can you reply them. Okay, and that is it. So basically, let me take you through this dashboard over here. So now if you want to set up anything, of course this is the home. Okay, this is the inbox, this is the contact, and then the knowledge base, reporting, add-ons, and then we have administration over here. Now this is the most important thing that we're going to do. Now if you click over here, you can set up the property image if you want. Okay, if you want to set up it, you can set it up over here. Okay, now if you go to the chat widget over here, you can be able to set up different things over here. So if you want to change this color, okay, so you see this green color over here. If I want to change it, I'll just click on advanced over here, and then I can go ahead and then select a different color for it. Okay, so over here I can change the chat widget and all those kind of things, the position and other stuff where I want to change. Now let me just go back over here and then show you where the colors are. So over here is where mostly the colors are over here. But of course, if I click over here, I can change the color to any color that I want. So let's say I want to change it to this color over here. I can change it. So as you can see, it is changed. Okay, now if I go to the website over here and then I refresh it over here, you see that it has changed from the green. Okay, and then when I click on it, you realize that most of the colors have changed. Okay, and that is what, and that is it. Now you can do a lot of things over here by clicking on the what, on the advanced over here. Okay, so if you click on the advanced over here, you can change the position of what, of the of this we are here, or the chat over here. Okay, you can change the position. Now if you want to change it to what, it to anything, you can also decide to what, to change it. Okay, now you see this one which says we are here, that is what the attention what grabber. Okay, so we can click on what, gallery, and then choose anything that we want. Okay, so let's say we want to click on this one, it's going to be something like this. Okay, so you can choose anything that you want to what, to represent it. So let's say let me choose a different thing, let me see something which is what, which is nice, or something which I feel is nice. Okay, let me say it that way. So let me go to, let's say a 24-hour what service. Okay, so you can what, you can choose this one. So this one is what, too big for me. I'm still going to choose the one which matches this one, which is what, this one over here, which is a little bit okay. I can what, save it. Okay, now that is what, that is it. Now you can go ahead and then what, change some few things. Okay, so the widget, the header, the agent messages. Okay, so the messages that comes over here, the green one. Okay, that is the agent message. You can what, change the color over here. Okay, so if I want to what, just pick this color, if I want to pick this color, I can what, just grab the color, copy it, come over here, and then I'll just paste it over here. Okay, and then I will what, I'll save it. So as you can see, it is what, it is saved. So now that is what, that is done. Now let's go back over here, and that is it. So you realize that you can do a whole lot of what, a whole lot of things over here. Okay, and when you go to what, user settings over here, you can go to the triggers over here. I'm showing you the most important things. You can go to the triggers over here. Now this trigger is what, is a message that comes. Okay, so this one, welcome to our site. If you need any help, simply reply to this message, blah blah blah. You can what, change it what, over here. Okay, so welcome to our site, blah blah blah. So you can decide to change it to what, welcome to cryptocurrency marketplace. If you need help, simply reply to this message. We are online to support you. Okay, so now you can also add an image that you want to add. You can change from customer support. As you can see, it says what, this one will be what, customer what, support messages. Okay, so you can decide, as you can see over here, it says what, customer support, right? You can decide to change from the name to maybe a specific name that you want. Okay, and that is it. Now you can what, save it. Okay, so basically these are some of the things. Now of course, if you also want to what, let me go to the user management, the channel. Okay, I see this one which says what, knowledge what, base. Okay, you can decide to create your own what, knowledge base. So if you look over here, it says to search for what, answers. Okay, so you can decide to create your own what, your own knowledge base. You can start it over here, and then create a subdomain for it and a whole lot of things, and then you can click what, next. Okay, you can upload your what, your logo over here. So let's say I want to what, I want to upload a logo. So let's say I want to upload this logo. You can what, you can upload a logo like this, and then don't mind this logo. Okay, it's just something it's just something which doesn't match. Okay, but then I just want to show you how you can do it, and then change the primary color that you want it to appear, and then you can change the font style and everything. Then click on what, next. Okay, now it says what, well done, go to what, knowledge base. So you can what, click on it to go to the knowledge base. Now as you can see, you can what, you can change everything that you want to what, change over here. Okay, so you can do a lot of what, a lot of settings that you want to what, do over here. Okay, and that is what, that is it. Now after doing all those settings, you can add links that you want to add. Okay, so let's say you want to add some few links. So let's say I want to add the home page URL over here. So let's say I want to add what, home. Okay, and then I'll add the URL over here. Then I'll add a link, and then also maybe I want to add what contact. Okay, I'll copy this one, I'll come over here and then write what contact, and then I'm going to add what the link over here. Okay, I'm going to click on add. Okay, and then select widget. So you can what select the widget, that the chat widget that you want, and then anything that you want, what social media and other stuff. Okay, so the grid layout, everything that you want, you can basically modify everything over here. Okay, now if everything is done, you are good to go, and that is your basically your knowledge base. So now let me okay guys, so if after doing all the settings over here, okay, now if you want to add an article to the knowledge base, and what we have to do is what to click over. You see this button over here, or this icon over here, just click on it. Okay, and then you see all your articles over here, right? Now click on what new article. Okay, now over here you can be able to add the article that you want to you add over here. So as you can see, you can type in what your heading, the subheading, and all those things, and then you can enter your your paragraph over here. So this is going to be the slug, if it is draft, and all those things. So let's say the heading is let's say about cryptocurrency. So that is our heading. Okay, now we can decide to add some paragraph over here. Okay, so now let me just go and copy some few text over here, and then I'll come back and then paste it over there. So let's say I want to just copy this ones over here, copy it, and then come over here, and then just paste in what I want to paste over here. So just type in whatever you want to type in, and all those things will be you can add a new thing. If it is a paragraph, an image, all those things, you can decide to add them over here. Okay, so you can do a whole lot of things. So that is an article that you are writing, right? So now we can decide to publish it or not. So let's say we publish it, and then it is published. Okay, so this is about the cryptocurrency. And if you go to our knowledge base, you realize that we have one thing over here. Okay, now that we have one thing over here, and if you go over here and then we just refresh the website, let's refresh the website to see if what we did has really appeared on the website. So if we go back over here and then we search for, let's say, about, you realize that you see about cryptocurrency appears over here. Now we can click over here, and then the person can be able to read through. Okay, that is it. So if it is helpful, the person can be able to just click positive over here. Okay, if it is not, the person can be able to click over here. So basically that is the crypto the knowledge base over here. Okay, so this chat the tawk.to is a very good live chat plugin that everybody can be able to use on their website. Okay, you can use it on your website whenever you want, or whatever any website that you want. So let's say somebody comes over here, and then the person send you let's say the person is wants to chat to you and says hello. Okay, now you're gonna receive a message over here. So as you can see, you get a message from here. Okay, and then you'll be able to see the location and everything of the person, right? So as you can see, this is it. Now if you want to join the chat, you can click over here to join the chat, and then you can also answer the person. Hi, how may we help you? And then you send it. Okay, so the person will be able to also receive the message. Okay, so as you can see over here, the message comes over here. Okay, and then you can be able to chat the person online. Okay, and that is basically how you can be able to do. Anybody can be able to do it. Now you can see the location of the person, where the person is chatting from, and all those things. So that is basically how this chat plugin really works. It is an advanced one that you need for it to work for you. Now of course, if you go, you can also check what the add-ons over here. Okay, so if you want, remove branding from it. Now this branding is what is this thing which says what add free live chat to your website. Okay, if you want to remove it from it, you can go and add this add-on to it. If you want to hire a live agent who will work 24 hours for you without you interfering, you can pay the person $1 an hour for it. And then virtual assistants, a whole lot of things are coming also coming soon. Okay, so video, voice, and then screen sharing, all you can add onto it. So they have translation, shopping cart, and then in chat payments, which are all coming soon. Okay, so there are a whole lot of things. So mail notifications, if you want to see your notifications and a whole lot, you can do all those settings also over here. Okay, so everything is is intact. Okay, so agent alert too, if you want to alert an agent, you can add it over here. Okay, so everything is very, very good. It is a good plugin, and I advise you to be able to also have this chatting plugin. If you want to have a live chat on your website, I'll advise this one for you. Okay, now of course, if you go to the Google Play Store, you can search for tawk.to. Okay, install their plugin, log in with your credentials, and then you'll be able to have the chat plugin on your chat app on your website, and then you will never miss anybody who is on your website. I hope this tutorial will help you to be able to add a chatting plugin or a live chat plugin on your website, or live chat widget on your website. Thank you for watching this video, and if you are new over here, please like this and subscribe to the channel. Okay, let's grow together. We are growing now. Sorry, I've not been able to drop content here and there. I've been a little bit busy doing one or two things. I'm fully sure by December 15th I'll be dropping full tutorials for you guys to enjoy. Okay, so don't go anywhere. Please subscribe to the channel and let's grow together. Thank you. Bye bye.